How to set up Ox ERP. I copied the demo login details and logged in with it. First setup. Add branch. A branch is sales point. On the column labeled branch name, key in your preferred branch name, example, HQ, reception, bar. Under the column description, key in full address, as should appear on your invoice and other documents. Click Add More button to add as many branches as required. Use the Remove button to remove edit form row if not needed. After filling the branch name and description, hit the Submit button to save. View branch. To edit/delete already saved data, check the box under the Action column on the row you wish to make changes to. This activates the Update and Delete button. Click on Update if you wish to update the row with new information and Delete if you wish to delete the data on the row entirely. Note: a branch carries more accounting function. Upon creating a branch, 3 accounts are created automatically by default: cost of sales, purchases/inventory and sales/revenue accounts. Most accounting reports are generated on the branch level, e.g. profit and loss, stock level, sales, invoicing, expense, ledger/accounts are mapped to a branch. As we go further you will understand it better. Gpl Setup. Here we set up main general ledger accounts as it should reflect on the statement of financial position or balance sheet, trial balance. By default system has created inventory, fixed asset, accounts receivable, and payables. User should create others. Example, banks, cash, short-term liabilities. Input the name under the class name, select normally and input a brief description. Ledger Setup. Here we set up sub-accounts to be under the main GL account already set up. VAT Setup. Here we set up VAT. Input the VAT percent, example, 3% will be 0.03, the account to be credited in the branch/sales point the VAT will be applied on. Expense Account Setup. Here we set up expense accounts. Input the expense account name and a brief description. Upload logo. Select a logo size picture, preferably 200 pixel by 200 pux. Upload and submit. Product Name Setup. Product Category. This is where you set up main categories of items you sell, e.g. if you sell food, you may wish to categorize into food, drinks, snack, etc. Fill the form and submit. Add product name. Here we set up the full name of product we deal on as it should appear on the invoice, e.g. brand name plus model plus description. Choose the category it falls under. Input unit of measurement, Place mouse on the barcode and scan the product barcode if any. In this example, I didn't use a barcode. View/edit. This is where you edit/delete added product names. Similar principles of edit/delete applies here. Customer account. Here we create customer accounts, post customer payment, customer ledger, debtors and debtors aging report. Add customer. Input customer details and submit. View customer. A view/edit page for saved entries. Log payment. Here a user can post customer payment by clicking the deposit button to credit customer account or by clicking on the withdraw button to debit customer account. Note, all customer names and balances can be generated on this page by clicking on Save/Print button. On clicking Deposit/Withdraw, the transfer from the account customer payment will be posted to aka debit account. Deposit action credits the customer's account and debits the corresponding account selected. The reverse is the case for withdraw. Customer statement/receipt. A report showing customer statement/ledger. Specify the customer to spool their individual statement. Click on the transaction ID to view the receipt, applicable if it was a credit entry. Debtors. A report showing all debtors. Specify the customer and date range to view their individual aging report. Room management. Add room. Create all rooms in hotel, input price per night. View/edit room. View/edit added rooms. Book room. Choose customer booking room. Input promo code if any. There is a separate menu to set up promo. Customers with such code get a certain percentage discount on booking. Fill in other details as required. If customer paid any amount on point of sale, select the account such payment should be posted to. Upon submission, Systems automatically credits the branch revenue account and debits customer accounts. If any amount was posted as paid, System also credits the customer's account and debits the corresponding account with amount paid value. View booked, report showing currently occupied room. Edit booked room, window to edit an already booked entry. Click on the room name to launch window to adjust entry made. Instances where customer made extra deposit, changed room or user posted wrongly. Note, editing a booked room reverses all entries initial posted. In any case where customer wants to change room after spending a night or more in the initially booked room, user should book as a fresh reservation on book room menu and not this window. Occupied room. Report showing currently occupied room. Check out booked room. Window to check out a booked room. Click on the room name to launch window to check out. System checks if room has any outstanding bill. If customer made any extra payment on point of checkout, user should click yes and input the amount paid and the account such payment should be posted. Note, outstanding bill could be from orders sent to room or balance on room booked. If customer has an outstanding bill but didn't make any extra payment on point of checkout, click no. Customer's account would reflect as a debtor/receivable on the books. Room reservation. Same operation as book room but modified for future reservations. System makes sure reservation doesn't clash and would promptly notify user if there is clash in reservation/booking room dates. View reserved room. Report showing currently reserved room. Edit reserved room. Window to edit an already reserved room. Click on the room name to launch window to adjust entry made. Same concept as edit booked room. Note, hall management, same concept as room management. Branch stock menu module. Add goods to branch. Here we add stock into the system. Input a preferred name to be given to the batch. Input other necessary details like cost and expiry date if any. Submit. System generates a stock invoice stock. When stock is added, it needs to be approved to be made available for sales. Click the Approve Sales button to approve the added stock batch for sale, or click OK to continue and approve later. Note then, when approved, edit operation can no longer be done on this batch. View/edit added goods. Here we have a report of all added stock per batch. Unapproved entries can still be modified or deleted by clicking the batch name or the delete button respectively. Click Approve to make available for sales. Set/view selling price. Here we set the default selling price for goods. Select the branch to set the selling price and click the Go button. Input the respective selling prices per unit and submit. Stock/price. A quick report window showing cost analysis of goods per batch. Set limit. Tell system the lowest unit of stock should be to trigger a notification to restock. Select the branch such limit should be applied to and click Go. Input the unit and submit. About to/expired goods shows about to and/or expired goods if any. View goods in branch generates the available stock in a branch. Pick the branch and click the Go button. Generated stock balance report can be downloaded, saved or printed. Sales log. Here we log sales/create invoice. Log sale. Choose customer invoice should be raised for. System automatically populates the name on invoice, phone number and other info fields with information maintained upon registering the customer. On the invoice number box, input the invoice number if any. If none, system generates a unique invoice number upon submission. On the amount paid/account, input the amount customer paid. Upon submitting invoice, system debits the account selected and credits the customer account automatically. If customer is on a booked room and wishes bill be added to outstanding room, select Bill Room, Outstanding, under the Account tab. Hit Submit button. System generates invoice, credits the branch revenue account, debits the customer's account, credits branch purchases/inventory account, debits branch cost of sale account, deducts inventory automatically. View/update sales. Here we can view/edit all posted sales entries per item. Click on the line product name to launch the modification window. Here you can edit the entries initially posted and submit, or click the reverse button to reverse/delete the line item on the invoice. Such edits may be due to returns or wrong posting. System will automatically do the necessary accounting entries for each action taken. Sales report. Here is sales report per invoice, showing payment status. Report can filter to show per branch and/or within a date range. You can also click on the invoice number to generate the invoice doc. Sales return logs all edited sales entry. View invoice. This is where we call up invoice document. Input the invoice number and click Go. It is advised that customer orders are first posted on Raise Orders. Raising sales order gives room for modifications before finally being posted as sales backed with the necessary accounting entry. So basically waiters should use this window more often, then maybe an in-house accountant will then post all fulfilled orders as sale at a later time. Fill the necessary information and submit. View quote. Here we view all entries. We can also edit, delete or post quote as sale. Goods transfer module. Stock can be moved from one branch to another. Branch carters to that. Select the branch to pick from and click Go. Fill the details and submit. All added stock must be approved to be available for sales. Go to Branch Stock menu, then View/Edit Added Stock to approve such entries. Stock can also be moved from branch to expense, maybe due to internal consumption or theft or damages. Click Product, Expense. Input the necessary data and submit. Stock adjustment is a journal that handles stock adjustment. Stock can be added and or removed. Select the required details and click Go as shown on this video. Transfer inventory is a report detailing the movement of stock for the goods transfer module. Special discount/promo. Here we create promo codes for room booking only. Customers with such code get a discount when booking a room that qualifies for it. Add specials. Input the discount percentage to be applied. Select room such discount would be applied to. Choose the duration of the discount. Input the number of times discount will be used before it gets invalid. Click Generate to generate promo code. Send to customers whom it was intended for. Edit special. Window to edit added promo. Reports. Different kinds of report. Revenue report generates business revenue report. Profitability report generates product profitability report. Report can filtered per branch, date. Product report generates comprehensive sales report tailored for product category. Report can filtered per branch, date. Check it out. Supplier account. Supplier setup. Input supplier details and submit. Log item purchase. Purchases are captured here. Select the supplier, input the item purchased and amount, check the Apply VAT box if VAT was applied in the purchase. This action credits the supplier's account and debits the purchaser's account. If VAT box is checked, output VAT will be applied accordingly. All purchases can be viewed/edited/reversed using the view/edit item purchase. View purchases. Report showing all purchases. Pay supplier. Pay to. Debits the supplier's account and credits the corresponding account selected. The reverse is the case for deduct from button. Account statement. A report showing supplier statement/ledger. Specify the supplier to spool their individual statement. Same concepts applies for the other creditors. Note that other creditors doesn't hit the purchases account. Financials. Stock ledger. A ledger showing stock movement. Stock position. A report showing stock position as at. Gpl Setup. Here we set up main accounts as it should reflect on the statement of financial position. Ledger Setup. Here we set up sub-accounts to be under the main account already set up above. Journal entry. Window to credit and or debit all accounts on the system. Log expense. This is where we log expenses. Input a brief description of the expense, amount spent and category. Submit. Expense statement. A comprehensive expenses report. Can be filtered by different parameters. Posted expense can also be reversed by checking the line item action checkbox and clicking the reverse button. Account statement. Window to open the ledger for all accounts on the system. Profit/loss. Generates business profit and loss statement. Trial balance. Generates business trial balance. Balance sheet. Generates business statement of financial position. Asset. Here we set up everything relating to fixed assets. Asset category. Create asset categories. Add asset. Input asset name, asset account, purchase amount, date, depreciation value per month, leave at 0 if number depreciation and other details. Submit. Asset Register. A comprehensive asset report page. Journal entry. When assets were added with a purchase amount onto the Add Asset page, no accounting entry was made. To make the necessary accounting entry, credit the cash/bank or any other account with the purchase value, then debit the corresponding asset account. Account statement. Page for fixed asset account ledger. Payroll menu module. Setups. Income. Input income name, income type. Income can be fixed or variable. Choose if income is taxable. Relief. Input relief name, relief type. Relief can be fixed or variable. Input relief percentage and choose income relief will be applicable to. Max value. Input the higher value to consider when computing reliefs. Whichever is higher shall be used. If none, input 0. Deductions. Input deduction name, deduction type. Deduction can be fixed or variable. Input deduction percentage and choose income deductions will be applicable to. Payee. Select the ledger payee deductions will report to. As payee is progressive, input in progressive order. Under the description, input the payee step name, rate in % to be deducted and the value. Click Add More to add as many payee steps as required. Employer contribution, input contribution name, contribution type, input contribution %, select deduction category that contribution matches and choose income contribution will be applicable to. Employee account name. Here we set up all possible account name employees can have as it relates to payroll. Example, all bank names, pension fund administrator names, tax bodies, mortgage bank names, insurance company names, etc. Staff category. Here we set up different grade levels or steps or cadre of staff. Input the grade level name and a brief description. Staff category pay details. Here we set up payroll components for each staff category. Fill in the required details and submit. Employees. Here we add/edit all employees. Fill the necessary biodata of employee. On choosing a grade level, the pay details populates. Where necessary, input employee's account details. Submit. Upload employees. For batch upload, build a CSV format as shown and upload details. Employee Pay menu. Upload pay details. For batch upload of employee pay, prepare CSV format as shown and upload. Afterwards, click the Validate Upload to approve the uploaded batch. Edit employee pay. Employees' payroll can be called up and edited here. Example, change in grade, income or deduction. Employee debt/loan. Here we issue loans to employees to be paid from their wages within an agreed duration. Choose the employee. The column debit is where we specify which deduction category the value will be charged on. The value is where we specify the figure to be deducted. Repayment spread tells system how many times this deduction should be spread. Example, if an employee takes a loan to be paid in 3 tranches, the repayment spread will be 3 payroll cycles. As such, when payroll is processed, employee gets an extra deduction of figure divided by 3 till it offsets the debt. Account. Here we specify which account to be credited. Example, salary advance. Note, upon submission, the account salary advance will be credited and employee account debited. When payroll is processed for such employee, salary advance will be debited and employee account credited. Employee statement. An employee ledger. Process salary. Pay employee. Here we process payroll per employee. Pay all employee. Here we process payroll for all registered employees. Processed salary batch, a report for processed salary per batch. Processed payroll can be reversed by clicking the reverse button. Reports. Check out the employee pay slip, general pay slip. General report. A payroll report detailing all payroll components. Report can be filtered to show different types of data based on parameters set. Accounts report. This is where user generates payables report for each ledger attached to a payroll components upon setup. Report shows employee details, value to be paid, institution payable to, example, bank name, tax body name, pension admin name, account number. Example, if we set up all net pay income to be credited to say net salaries payable account, we select the net salaries payable and batch we want to prepare the report for, System will generate a comprehensive report of payables due each employee. Report can be spooled to Excel or saved as PDF. Check out the payment report too. It is similar to general report.